Hey guys, welcome back to the show. Are you ready for more product reviews? We are doing something really cool. I've always wanted one of these in my kitchen. You know I'm a big coffee guy. I don't do tea much, but I will do a cup of tea every so often. I have an electric kettle. These things rock. It takes about 2 minutes to heat up your water instead of waiting for the on the stove kettle to heat up. You get an electric kettle like this, and then you get a coffee press like this. I want to say thanks to, is it Homost? I think it's Homost coffee press and Posami. Please, if I'm mispronouncing these names, forgive me, all right? Posami sent me an electric kettle, and HomoPress sent me Homo sent me the coffee press. I mean, like a really high quality, it's like a stainless steel and a glass, and we're going to talk about its features in a moment. So come on in close, and I'll show you what I'm doing. All right, so let's talk about the coffee press first. I am talking high quality French coffee press. In fact, I just had a coffee press coffee at a restaurant over the weekend. I was filming, and they had French press coffee. I thought that was totally cool. They brought a big pot right to my table, and I poured it out, and it was awesome. So you preheat the coffee press with hot, not boiling water so you don't crack the glass. Use coarsely, now that's important. Don't use fine ground coffee grounds. So you're gonna use stuff that looks like this. It's gonna be coarsely ground. So what do you get with your coffee press? You get 2 extra filter screens, 1 hand blender for frothing up your coffee, 1 stainless steel spoon. You get 1 measuring spoon so you can scoop out coffee if you want, 1 sponge cleaning brush. So you get a bunch of accessories with this coffee press, making it well worth the price. It's not that bad at all. And then with the kettle, the electric kettle, I'm telling you, you guys got to get this, whether you're doing top ramen or you're doing tea or you're doing coffee. You got temperature control from 122 to 212, 30 to 120 timer to keep it warm. So you can warm your coffee like if you're putting your makeup on in the morning, turn the kettle on, and you're good to go. You got an LED display, visible water window. I'm going to show you that right now. Now, if you just want hot boiling water, just turn it on. It's going to go up to 212 degrees. But like me, I'm personal. I like it at 140 so I can drink it today. I get to pick my temperature. Whoops, right there, 140. All right? This water seems to be hotter than 140, so it's not doing anything. It's at 163 right now. And then if you look, you also have a clear where you can see where your water balance is, right there. All right, so this is what I got. I got the water hot in the kettle. I got the grounds in my coffee press. I read the booklet. It gives you a little chart of how much grounds to how much hot water you're supposed to do. So we're gonna do that right now. It's about 150. I like to drink it at 140, but and then put it back on its stand, and it starts heating up again, okay? Then gently take a spoon and rotate and let it steep for a while. You don't wanna press it right away. Okay, if you look carefully, you'll see there is a filter on the press that will allow the water through, but hold the beans down. And that's why you press this. And it makes a very good cup of coffee. And go slow. You don't want to be pressing really fast. This allows all the beans to be captured by that, and then you can pour off your coffee. Nothing like a brand new cup of coffee. Not too hot, perfectly warm. That is great. I'm drinking it black, straight. So I'm gonna go sit by my lovely wife, and I'm gonna enjoy this hot cup of coffee. Check out the French press down below. And I think it was brought to us by Homost. And then we have Posami gave us the electric kettle, and this is the one to get. I'll have links down below. This is a great setup. And you can make tea or ramen or anything that needs hot water fast right there. All right, guys, you take care, and I'll see you on the next episode. I love you.